YouTube channel, and this is our special friend visiting today, Sophia. Say hi.
Hi.
And today we're making creamy pesto salmon broccoli pasta with cheese. Yes. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to put 2 cups of basil.
A cup of cheese. This is pesto.
This is half a cup of butter, and I'm going to pour this in.
That was 1.5 cups of heavy whipping cream.
Yes.
For the Alfredo, put 2 teaspoons of garlic.
So now we're putting in half a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, kosher salt, black pepper. Yum. So first the Italian seasoning.
Bubbling, we're gonna have to add 2 cups of parmesan. Now we're gonna add pesto to make creamy pesto.
Don't do that.
Oh no. Put in the broccoli and the salmon.
Oh no. Oh no. Is it swollen? Get all that juicy stuff.